been called to the stage.
Here's Tyler. Where's Peter? Lincoln somewhere.
Peter, you're up.
Peter!
Yeah, he's trying to hide.
Peter Britten and Tyler Corcoran. And again, remember with these, I don't know if we call them pro teams, but of course there's only 2 instead of 3 for the other teams. But last time, what was it, 49 or 48? It was only a few seconds off, which was surprising.
What do you think? You're defending co-champion of this event with your dad, but he's putting Peter Britten in your lap. How do you feel about that? A little bit better. Oh, no. Peter Britten,
Here comes Peter.
With the co-champion of this event last year, are you ready?
I told him he's young enough, he can do all the work.
You're just a foreman in this job, huh?
Yeah, I'm definitely a foreman. Just gonna sit back, relax. I told him I'd be the jack guy, but it looks like my job's done. So
It's all, well, I mean, heck, you can just sit with me and watch him do it, right?
I think Tyler will do all right.
He hasn't even been watching this.
No, he has no idea what's going on right now.
Peter, you gotta take this tire, put it on there. That one's gotta go on there.
Peter, and you got to do that in 47.97 seconds or faster.
He said, sure.
Yeah, he didn't say 1 minute 47 seconds.
what are you gonna do? Run the exact?
Peter was watching the Georgetown race over at the DTV
Hey,
booth.
Peter, do you want another team to go first and then you can watch?
No,
All right, we're good. Okay.
He's good.
Are you guys ready? You ready?
White collar watching intently as his time is being scrutinized here.
Time's up.
47.97. Your competition's watching you, Peter.
1, 2, 3, go!
Mike, I would say hold him up as Charlotte, but that wasn't true either.
No, that wasn't. That was a
That looked like a slide to me.
semi-slide.
He wasn't here for that rule meeting.
That's true. That's right. So he gets a pass on that one.
Hurry up, Peter.
Is done with his half now. He's just going to sit back and watch.
And
47.84.
so they just missed.
By a tenth.
Oh, they beat him. Oh, no kidding. Didn't even watch the competition, and Peter Britten gets it done with Tyler Corcoran.
What have you guys been doing?
What have you guys been doing? Peter, is that liquid courage? Just didn't care.